Okay, so today we're going to be talking about the centroid. And so in order to learn about the centroid, I need you to go to the website, keymath.com. So we're going to go to www.keymath.com. And so when you get there, you're going to see this screen up here. You're going to notice on the right side it said enter your class pass. Remember our class pass, right there. And so go ahead and type that in right there, hit return. What this is going to do is this is going to take you to your companion website with your book. And so now what's going to happen is we need to go into chapter 3, section 8. Okay, so go ahead and go chapter 3 on the left side. We're going to go ahead and go into lesson 3.8. And so you're going to notice in 3.8 we're going to learn about the centroid. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and complete this dynamic geometry exploration. So notice where it says that. You can see the little finger on the screen. I need you to go ahead and click that. And when you click that, what's going to happen is it's going to bring up this exploration that you're going to do. This is real similar to an investigation, and so you're going to need to scroll through that and complete that investigation. Okay, and so you should end up getting what I have up there on the screen.
You need to download.
Go to chapter 3. Go down now. Chapter 3.
I need to download
Yep.
the plugin.
How'd you end up there? Oh, go to Centroid. That's fine.
Can I download a plugin?
Yes.
Download what?
What do we go to after we get there?
Go to, click on, no, go up. Click right there.
Right where?
Dynamic geometry exploration.
Click on it.
Might have to pick it up.
It's not working.
What number is that? Leave that up.
14.
Yep, that's the one that I had trouble with before.
Oh.
Jeez.
Well, no, I had trouble with it running Java. So we'll go ahead and get you going. Nope, don't leave it on.
I know.
I was just leave it up like that. 'Cause I
Wait, were
gotta
you
take
in
it to Mrs.
Firefox or Internet Explorer?
What?
Were you in
Firefox.
Firefox? Sometimes Internet Explorer works better on these ones than Firefox does.
Yeah.
All right, so anyway, what I need you to do now is you're going to notice this is an exploration. You need to go through and complete this. So if you want to jot your answers down on a sheet, that's fine. But you need to read and go through. Now, a little bit about the sketches. Anytime you see a red dot, like I can see a red dot here with the vertices, I can take, and notice how I'm dragging and resizing my triangle. So anytime you have a red dot, you can resize that. So now you need to go ahead and start. What measurements would you need to make sure that segment BD is a median? If BD is a median, what would be true of your measurements? So go ahead and complete this. You're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. When you get done, we're going to go over the answers. So, questions? Yes?
I don't know what to go to.
Okay. There should be a link right there. You click right there on the link.
Oh, I thought it was
Okay,
the
so that's what you need to do. I'm going to go ahead and pause then while you guys complete the exploration, and we'll come back with the video when you're done. Okay, so here we are back again after you completed your investigation. Hopefully, that kind of made a little bit of sense. Remember, we're going to review real quick. The 3 angle bisectors make the incenter. The 3 perpendicular bisectors are the circumcenter. And then the 3 altitudes are the orthocenter. The 3 medians, we call that what is known as the centroid. So the 3 medians intersect in what is known as the centroid. Now, what's going to happen is we're going to kind of go over those conjectures that you already talked about. The first conjecture is the center of gravity conjecture. The center of gravity conjecture basically states that the center of a triangle is the center of gravity for a triangular region. Oh, not the, sorry, I wrote the wrong thing down. Let's try that again. The centroid of a triangle is the center of gravity for the triangular region. So what that means, that means if you were to take your pencil tip and you were to place that triangle that you constructed yesterday on the centroid, on that tip of your pencil, it would balance that.
Sweet.
So the centroid of a triangle is the center of gravity of the triangular region. Now you have two conjectures that you went through and did on your investigation. Now if you want to go to page 185, okay, page 185 and page 186, we've got two conjectures there that you need to make sure you get down. Now we went ahead and kind of completed those. So we're going to do those verbally, but if you want to write them down, that would be good. The first one on page 185 states that the three medians of a triangle, what are the three medians of a triangle? What were they?
It divides each.
No, concurrent.
Concurrent. The
Oh.
three medians of a triangle are concurrent, which means they intersect. So that was the very first one. So on page 185, you should write down that conjecture, and this should go in the blank. Now the next one is on page 186, and that is the centroid conjecture. Okay, so that was the very last thing we looked at on that online investigation. The centroid of a triangle divides each median into two parts, so that the distance from the centroid to the vertex is, what did you discover? Yep, what'd you say? Twice. So, the conjecture on page 186, what goes in the blank is twice. Okay, yeah, that is kind of a longer one. So with that in mind, that should get you going on your homework. Your homework from that section is going to be found on page 188, and it's going to be 1 through 4.